English tip by tip.
Tip 76. Moon phases. The moon as seen from Earth. New moon, waxing crescent, full moon, waning crescent. The moon is Earth's natural satellite. Its surface is rocky and cratered, a result of asteroid and comet impacts. The moon orbits Earth, taking about 27 days for a full orbit. It exhibits different phases as seen from Earth, influencing tides, and has been the subject of countless myths, legends, and poems. Tip 76. Exercise. Answer.
How is the moon's surface?
The moon's surface is rocky and cratered.
How long takes the moon to orbit Earth?
The moon takes about 27 days to orbit Earth.
How many phases are exhibited by the moon?
The moon exhibits 8 phases as seen from the Earth.
What's influenced by moon phases in Earth?
Tides are influenced by moon phases in Earth.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.